Challenges and pressure is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. A sense of accomplishment. Example:
Finishing that huge project gave me a real sense of accomplishment.
2. Boosts my confidence. Example:
Getting positive feedback on my work really boosts my confidence.
3. Overcoming challenges. Example:
Overcoming challenges makes you stronger and more prepared for the next one.
4. Facing my fear bravely. Example:
I was terrified of public speaking, but I faced my fear bravely and gave the presentation.
5. Break them into smaller steps. Example:
When tasks feel too big, I try to break them into smaller steps to make them manageable.
6. Staying calm and seeking advice from others. Example:
In stressful times, I believe in staying calm and seeking advice from others.
7. Looking at challenges from different angles. Example:
Sometimes, looking at challenges from different angles helps you find better solutions.
8. Realize our full potential. Example:
I think we realize our full potential when we step outside our comfort zones.
9. Build resilience and prepares us for future obstacles. Example:
Dealing with failure helps build resilience and prepares us for future obstacles.
10. Deadlines and expectations can be overwhelming. Example:
Sometimes, deadlines and expectations can be overwhelming, especially during exams.
11. Stay organized. Example:
I use a planner to stay organized and keep track of my tasks.
12. Listen to calming music. Example:
When I'm feeling anxious, I like to listen to calming music to relax.
13. Clear my mind. Example:
A short walk outside helps me clear my mind when I'm feeling stuck.
14. The pressure was intense. Example:
During my final year at university, the pressure was intense.
15. Follow a strict study schedule. Example:
I had to follow a strict study schedule to prepare for my entrance exam.
16. Pushes us out of our comfort zones. Example:
Trying something new always pushes us out of our comfort zones.
17. Discover what we're capable of. Example:
We often discover what we're capable of when we're faced with difficulties.
18. Knock my confidence. Example:
Failing the interview really knocked my confidence for a while.
19. My hands would get sweaty. Example:
Before big presentations, my hands would get sweaty from nerves.
20. Give yourself time to improve. Example:
Don't expect instant results. Give yourself time to improve.
21. Weighing the pros and cons. Example:
I spent a long time weighing the pros and cons before making my decision.
22. Figure things out on their own. Example:
Sometimes, Students need to figure things out on their own to truly learn.
23. Brainstorm with colleagues. Example:
I love to brainstorm with colleagues when we're working on a tough problem.
24. Takes patience to improve. Example:
Learning a new language takes patience to improve, but it's worth it.
25. Fast-paced lifestyles and social pressure. Example:
Fast-paced lifestyles and social pressure can lead to burnout.
26. Struggle with digital overload. Example:
Many people struggle with digital overload because they're always online.
27. Develop better problem-solving skills. Example:
Working in teams helps students develop better problem-solving skills.
28. Prioritize their tasks. Example:
Good time managers know how to prioritize their tasks effectively.
29. Maintaining a balance between work and relaxation. Example:
Maintaining a balance between work and relaxation is key to staying healthy.
30. Emotions often take over logic. Example:
In stressful situations, emotions often take over logic, which can lead to poor decisions.
Now let's look at some questions about this topic. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you enjoy facing challenges? What was a challenge you faced recently? How do you usually deal with challenges? Are challenges more difficult for young people or older people? Do you think challenges are necessary in life? Do you often feel under pressure at work or school? What do you usually do when you're feeling stressed or under pressure? Do you think people today experience more pressure than in the past? Have you ever been in a situation where you had to perform under pressure? Do you think pressure can sometimes be a good thing? Part 2. Question 1. Describe a challenge you faced that you thought was rather difficult. You should say what it was, when and where you faced it, why you thought it was a difficult challenge, and explain how you felt at the time. Question 2. Describe a difficult decision you have made. You should say what the decision was, why it was difficult, what you considered before making it, and explain how you felt after making the decision. Part 3. What do children often do when they face a challenge? Do most people choose to face a challenge alone or with others? What challenges would people face when learning new sports? Do you think modern life presents more or fewer challenges than in the past? Why? How can schools and workplaces help people handle challenges better? How can people avoid feeling overwhelmed when they have too much to do? How does pressure affect people's decision-making in high-stress situations? Do you think students today are under too much academic pressure? Why or why not? What are some common sources of pressure in the modern workplace? How do you think people take care of their mental health? That's the end of today's video. You can find the useful phrases on this topic in my channel.